Hey guys, thanks for watching so far. This video was put together by my wife, this portion by me. She does not know that I purchased tickets for her to go see a musical she's always wanted to go see. So stay tuned and you're about to see her reaction.
We think we looked at it, and it's been literally about a year since we got away from everything, over a year, and of course COVID played a pretty big part of that, but it's been over a year since we've done anything like this, especially without the kids, so it was just due time.
I don't like sand. It's rough, coarse, and it gets everywhere. Cute faces. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're so glad you watched our video. And like I said, there was a little surprise at the end that my wife knew nothing about. She doesn't even know that what I'm about to say, because we're recording this for the first time. She doesn't know that I was able to purchase some tickets to the musical Wicked for Saturday this weekend, and we're gonna go to her favorite musical, The Journey and the Party Continues. We'll get some footage of that as well, but hey, thanks for hanging around, watching our video of our vacation. We love you.